for anyone that's looking to put the polyurethane bushings in your 5th Gen Camaro differential and you're trying to remove the factory, best thing to do, factory bushings, I'm sorry, is they pretty much come like this. Something like that. Get your Sawzall with a blade, something like this. Yeah. Get in there and you cut around it. Knock it out. It'll come out like that into 2 pieces. And then you're going to need to, what I did, I put some relief cuts in this and heated up this part here. Heated it up really good on the inside. Heated it up really good on the inside till they pretty much were burning. You can tell there, it got pretty hot. Did some relief cuts. Then I pried open the back and just on the, it was in like this. What I did, I just got a flathead screwdriver, started tapping on the sides, and pretty much it went out that way. Then I got my attachment on my drill and polished the insides to make it a lot easier for the new ones to go in. So that's just my little 411 on easy way to do that. For me, it was the easiest way. It took some time, but if you don't want to get to a press or anything, this is the old one here. The old one pretty much did the same thing with that one. I just pushed the bearings I had in there out. And they're going into the new one. This differential here had some bad bearings and it was making a lot of humming under acceleration, driving me crazy. So out with the old, in with the new.